In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save Zoho Sheet to WorkDrive. To begin, open your Zoho Sheet. Make sure you are in the spreadsheet you actually want to store in WorkDrive, and give it a quick moment to finish loading. If you have made recent edits, it is a good idea to pause briefly so everything syncs properly before you save a new copy. Next, look at the top menu bar and click File. This is where Zoho Sheet keeps the main actions for your spreadsheet, including options for saving, exporting, and sharing. Clicking File will open a drop-down menu with several choices. From that menu, select Save As. The Save As option is important because it lets you store the sheet as a separate saved file in a specific location, rather than only relying on the current working version. This is especially helpful when you want to organize copies by project, create a version for a client, or move a file into a team folder so other people can access it. After you click Save As, choose the WorkDrive folder where you want to store the sheet. Take your time on this part, because picking the right folder will make the file much easier to find later. If your WorkDrive is organized by departments, projects, or dates, follow that structure so the sheet ends up in the same place as related documents. Also, double-check that you have permission to save into that folder, especially if it is a shared team folder. Once you have selected the correct WorkDrive folder, click Save. Zoho Sheet will then save the file into WorkDrive in the location you chose. Give it a moment to complete, especially if the sheet is large or you are working with a slower internet connection. After saving, it is a good habit to confirm the file is stored properly by checking that folder in WorkDrive and verifying the name and location. That way you know it is ready to access, share, or manage with the rest of your WorkDrive files. And that is all there is to it.